They said there's always a new beginning whenever you see the sun. Before and after 1 year old, I had an operation for me to walk. A complication nung pinagbubuntis ako. Result? Hindi naging pantay yung paa ko and legs, and a lifetime scar. I felt so different. A big fault. Insecurities every day. I took the responsibilities for the family. Finances, decision making, school plus work plus family. Another fault. I wish new day will come. After graduation, I transferred into lots of companies to increase my salary. Pati si mama nagkasakit. Ang daming gastos. Until I signed a contract that changed our financial status. Finally, it will cover everything and we can go to the best hospital. Kaso, a day before of my first day sa work, my mom died. Then my family need to separate. Sila papa at bunso sa province para malagaan. A major fault. I was starting to doubt a new day will come. But out of all the faults, I remember Bishop Oriel and Pastora Jer. Sabi nila, all things will work for our good. I merged myself sa Sunday service, praying for acceptance and healing. Then God answered my prayer. Because I'm still moving on, I had poor performance at work. I was terminated. A fault in disguise. I know there's a new day to come. That's why 6 months I had no work. Nasa bahay lang. And slowly, out of God's words, my wounds slowly healed. Right time na rin kasi paubos na yung ipin ko. I need to work. Kaso walang company na pumapansin ang resume ko. A fault? But is it really a fault? Surely, new day will come. I pray and ask God for a miracle. He knows I want to give more and higher tithes and offerings. He knows the needs of my family. He wants me to be a blessing. And finally, a company offered me the salary that I had before. Yet, he gave me additional allowances. Now, I'm earning more than what I had before. Not a fault. The right time, a new day will come. Besides from Sunday service, my G12 family stood by me and took care of me. One reason why I made it. I am loved with the love of the Lord. It's not just the work and finances that He answered, but also He taught me how to serve and love His people. From G12 disciples, now I'm leading 41 people, mix of students and professionals. Also, I become part of Hulu's production team. Now, no more insecurities. Also, after 3 years na magkakahiwalay ang family, last May we were united again, complete and whole again. He also answered yung matagal ko ng prayer before, that before 24 years old, I will have my own house and lot. And yes, He gave it to me. Out of all the faults I had, God never leaves me. For as long as there's a word tomorrow and the sun shows up every day, the love of the Lord will never put the sunset. It may look hopeless and frustrating whenever there are faults, but His plans are made to prosper and not to harm. A plan where I can find hope and security. Those are not faults. Those are preparations, refining and molding for a better and brighter tomorrow.